Hey everyone, so I wanted to look here at another assignment that we have for this week, the pumpkin article. So this is another Newsela article. So if you click the link up here at the top, it should take you to the Newsela site, and all you have to do is log in using your school Gmail account to be able to read the whole article. So here you need a chainsaw to carve the world's biggest pumpkins. This is one kind of centered around autumn time when we're looking at really big pumpkins. Kind of a neat article talking about ones that get this crazy big in size. So there's these questions that are related to the article. What vegetable did the Irish originally carve for All Hallows Eve? So again, there was a different alternative before. Number two, what weather is ideal for growing pumpkins? What's the best kind of situation for them to be growing in? Number three, based on the article, how many gallons of water do these giant pumpkins require? They talk a little bit about the water requirements. Again, when we've talked about pumpkins and raising them in horticulture before, they are very resource demanding. They need lots of water and lots of other resources. What do farmers have to do to prevent large pumpkins from breaking their own skin? It says here, hint, look at the graphic on the top right of the article for this information. So again, if you're looking a little ways down here, so here where it says giant pumpkins pack a punch, when you scroll down further on that graphic, it'll kind of explain that piece to it. Number five, what two things were farmers adding to the soil besides water to help the pumpkins grow bigger? So again, look for some resources that help the pumpkins to grow to these immense sizes. The article mentions that really large pumpkins have left lasting genetic legacies, and individual seeds have sold at auction for as much as $1,781, which is crazy if you think about it. One pumpkin seed selling for that much. So, why do you think the people who have grown these large pumpkins are charging so much for the seeds? And I want you to think back to what we talked about with selective breeding whenever you're pairing certain plants against one another, why they would decide to go for something this expensive for these features that they found in the pumpkin. And then seven, what was one of the pests that the article mentions making pumpkin growing difficult for farmers? They mention a couple in there, but think either an animal or a fungi that can hurt the pumpkin. And that's what you'll want to list for this last one. So again, pretty straightforward since this is a close reading assignment. Just please let me know if you have any questions. You can either email me, call me, or show up to our science department office hours every Monday through Friday, 10:30 to, or excuse me, 9:30 to 10:30 a.m.